Have you ever heard of something called sleep debt? It's not what you think, especially when the nightmares start feeling real. It started after a few sleepless nights at work. I was running on empty, barely catching any sleep. Then came the dreams, or nightmares really. They were vivid, more real than reality. I'd wake up sweating, heart racing, convinced I hadn't been dreaming at all. In one of them, I saw a dark figure standing at the foot of my bed, staring at me with hollow eyes. I could feel its breath, smell its damp, earthy scent. I jolted awake, but the room was empty. I told myself it was just exhaustion, but every time I tried to sleep, the dreams grew worse. One night, I felt something cold brush against my face. I opened my eyes and there it was again. The figure, closer this time. I could see the shadow of its twisted smile. I tried to scream, but no sound came out. My body was paralyzed, trapped in the nightmare. And then I woke up, or so I thought. My room looked the same, but I felt the presence still there, lurking. I rushed to turn on the lights, but the switch wouldn't work. My reflection in the mirror stared back at me, smiling that same twisted smile. I don't know when I'm awake anymore, or if I ever really am. I keep hearing whispers, feeling cold hands on my skin. My doctor says I'm sleep deprived, but I'm afraid to close my eyes, because the moment I do, I might never wake up again.